Good evening, friends. Now I want to explain about the in chemical equilibrium, that is characteristics of chemical equilibrium. What are the characteristics of any chemical equilibrium? That is, first find is the chemical equilibrium is dynamic in nature, means forward reaction is equal to the backward reaction. Concentration of each reactions and product is constant at equilibrium. That's why this is a dynamic in nature. Equilibrium can be achieved from either side. It won't affect the equilibrium point. If take any equilibrium, if you take this ammonia decomposition converted to nitrogen plus 3 hydrogen, either forward side or backward side, on either side we can achieve the equilibrium. It won't be affect the equilibrium point. For example, if you take initial concentration as low effect on relative concentration at equilibrium, that is, if you take 1 mole of nitrogen reacts with 3 moles of hydrogen, that is 0.5 mole, you will form 2 moles of ammonia. If you take, for example, 100 moles of nitrogen, this is 50 moles, 1 by 2 0.0 moles. The ratio, relative concentration at equilibrium, it won't be affected. Equilibrium point will remain as such. In this case, if you take pressure is constant, density is also constant. If you after obtaining the color, then it is remains constant, means that is the point at which equilibrium is obtained. After that, it won't be changed color. That next fourth point is equilibrium will be taken in a closed vessel. If you take, for example, A plus B gives rise to C plus D gas, it will, if you not taking the closed vessel, that gas will be escaped. It won't be obtained the equilibrium. That's why equilibrium, that is, it will take in a closed vessel. This is one of the characteristic. The role of catalyst. Catalyst enhances the both forward and backward reaction. It helps to achieve the equilibrium as early as possible. If you take here reactants and four products, this is point at equilibrium without catalyst. This is a with catalyst, it is possible early. This is the difference between the with catalyst and without catalyst, the equilibrium attaining. Next, you take the law of mass action. This is the Goldberg and Wager had explained the law of mass action. The A plus B reacts with C plus D. The rate of forward reaction is directly proportional to the active masses of A and active masses of B. Active masses means that is the active participant in the reaction. That is forward backward ratio